Conastántu. Hello there, Ben from Bite Size Irish here. Today let's learn how to say the names of the months of the year in Irish. So in Irish, when we place the word month before the name of a month, it may change the form of the name of that month. So as we go down through the list, I'm going to initially give you the name of a given month, for instance, January, and then I'll give you the name of that month with the word month before it. So for example, month of January. So you'll see that some of them will change and some will not. Without going into too much detail, it's because the form of the name of the month is going into what we call the genitive case. So let's start with January. Anner. 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 Month of January, me Anner. Me Anner. Me Anner. February, Fiaura. 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 Month of February, me Fiaura. Me Fiaura. Me Fiaura. March, Morta. 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 Month of March, me on Vorta. Me on Vorta. Me on Vorta. April, Abron. 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 Month of April, me Abroin. Me Abroin. Me Abroin. May, Bjaltene. 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 Month of May, me na Bjaltene. Me na Bjaltene. Me na Bjaltene. June, Mev. Mev. Mehev. Month of June, me on Vehiv. Me on Vehiv. Me on Vehiv. July, Uil. 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 Month of July, me Uil. Me Uil. Me Uil. August, Lunacy. 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 Month of August, me Lunacy. Me Lunacy. Me Lunacy. September, Mian Four. Mian Four. Mian Four. Month of September, me Vian Four. Me Vian Four. Me Vian Four. October, Jere Four. Jere Four. Jere Four. Month of October, me Yere Four. Me Yere Four. Me Yere Four. November, Samhain. 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 Month of November, me na sauna. Me na sauna. mí na saona. And lastly, December. Nullig. 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 Month of December, mí na nullig. Mí na nullig. Mí na nullig. And there you have the 12 months of the year. Thanks for being with me, and remember, you can listen back and practice as often as you like. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.